Good morning everyone, my name is Shrutika Paliwal and I am back with another lecture of mine. So in the previous lecture, we had done the word meanings, we had done the new words in the notebook, right, of chapter number 4, How Gajanan Caught the Robbers. The new words were done. We had started writing the word meanings and some 5 word meanings were done, right? Now let's proceed with the other word meanings. So just open your notebook, put on today's date. No need to write index today, okay? Index so we have already filled up in the last lecture, so no need to write down the index. Just open your notebook and वहीं से लिखना start करना है जहाँ पे पहले आपने छोड़ दिया था, ठीक है? तो word meanings, okay? तो word meaning number 6, okay? Word meaning number 6, hard. H-A-R-D, hard. Hard, here it means with effort. With effort. E-double-F-O-R-T. Okay? Hard. देखो, वैसे तो hard means, just for example, this duster is hard. Okay? Is it soft? No. Soft is your stuffed toys, जो आपके stuffed toys होते हैं वो soft होते हैं, right? This duster, it is hard, है ना? तो hard का एक ये meaning भी होता है. Then hard has some other meaning also. Here it means with effort. Now if you can recall the sentence, Puran was trying hard to remember. Puran मतलब he was trying hard. वो बहुत जोर दे रहा था सोचने के लिए, याद करने के लिए कि उसने क्या रात में किसी और को देखा था घर के बाहर, है ना? So then after thinking hard, he told that he saw 3 dogs. तो hard का मतलब होता है with effort, ठीक है? Here. Then the next word meaning is pauses. 7. Write down number 7. P-A-U-S-E-S. Pauses. Pauses means stop speaking for a while. Stop speaking for a while. Pauses means stop speaking for a while. Okay, like जैसे if you are in a class and I suddenly ask you some question that you do not know the answer of, तो you just pause, आप सोचने लगते हैं, है ना? तो this is what pause means. So pauses means stop speaking for a while. बोलते बोलते 1 सेकंड के लिए रुक जाना, ठीक है? Then the next word is giggles. Word number 8, giggles. G-I-G-G-L-E-S. Giggles. Okay, when I was explaining you the chapter, I already told you giggle means laugh in a silly way. Now you tell me who was giggling? Like when Puran told that he saw 3 dogs, other people were giggling, है ना? वो हंस रहे थे in a silly way. So that's what giggle means. Giggle means laughs in a silly way. To laugh in a silly way. Okay, giggle means to laugh in a silly way. Next word is pulls up. Okay, so pulls up. Who pulled up what? Gajanan pulled up his jeep. Okay, pulls up means to make it come to a stop. Okay, उसको रोक देना, किसी भी चीज को रोक देना, that means pulls up. So he pulled up the brakes. Okay, so then after pulling up the brakes, the jeep got stopped. What jeep? The police jeep. It got stopped. So Gajanan pulled up the jeep. Okay. Makes it come to a stop. Okay. So pulls up means makes it come to a stop. Then the next word is jerk. Hope you all are writing, and I just hope you have put on the date. Put the date here on this side of your page or there, wherever you like. Okay, put on the date, today's date, whatever date it is there, please put on the date, because if any notebook will come to me that is not having date in it, I'll not give you good remarks. So just better put on date on every page. Yeah, and if due to internet issues and the Premiere, if these things are blurred, you can also see the same things in your book. It is given in your book also on page number 30, 31, okay, 29, and then 32. Okay, we are doing it from the book only. These are not any extra things. Jerk means a quick sudden movement. Quick, quick, S-U-D-D-E-N, sudden, and movement, M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T. A quick sudden movement is called a jerk. अभी क्या होता है? Quick sudden movement. Sudden means कुछ चीज जो अचानक से होती है, ठीक है? Sudden means अचानक से. तो अचानक से बहुत तेजी से हम कोई मूवमेंट होता है, तो that is called a jerk. Now in the story, गजानन pulls up his jeep with a jerk. गजानन ने सडनली अपनी जीप को स्टॉप किया, रोका, ठीक है? तो वो जो सडनली रुकने वाला जो मूवमेंट था उसे कहते हैं jerk. ओके, नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज shock. Shock. Here shocked means surprised. Okay, shocked means surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. जैसे कोई कभी कुछ अनएक्सपेक्टेड थिंग्स होती हैं तो we got shocked or surprised. Okay, there is a slight difference between being shocked and being surprised, but here in the story it means almost the same. Okay, but still there is a slight difference between both the words. Now there was one extra word, empty, E-M-P-T-Y, empty. In Hindi I would say it means khali. Okay, so empty means to remove here, to remove. Okay, who told that Vikram to empty the contents of the sack? गजानन. गजानन ने विक्रम से कहा था कि जो सैक है उसे आप खाली कर दो, empty its contents. ठीक है? So here empty means that. Then next word is contents. Next word is contents. C-O-N-T-E-N-T-S. Okay, here means in the story. Content का तो वैसे बहुत सारे मीनिंग होते हैं, but here in the story particularly, okay, I am writing it here. Here means in the story that we have read. So empty contents means things that are inside the sack. Sack के अंदर जो भी चीजें थी उसे कहते हैं contents. उसे कहा गया है contents in the story. So here things that are inside the sack. Okay beta, just please write it fast. I have to rub the board. Okay, there are some 2 more word meanings remaining. So just write it fast. I'll rub the upper 3. Write it fast. I'll rub the upper 3 word meanings. I hope it is done. Okay. So word meaning number 14 is chasing. Chasing means following someone quickly. Okay, chase करना means किसी का पीछा करना, किसी को follow करना. पीछा करना means to follow someone or something. Okay, so who was chasing whom in the story? Like dogs were chasing the thieves in the story, right? जो dogs थे, they were following the thieves. वो उनके पीछे भाग रहे थे in the night. Okay, so that's what it means. Chasing means following someone quickly. Following someone quickly. Okay. Then the last is fearlessly. Okay, fearlessly. F-E-A-R, fear. F-E-A-R, fear. L-E-S-S-less, L-Y-L-E. Fearlessly. Okay, spelling is large but it's easy to remember. Fearlessly. So without being afraid. Fearlessly means बिना डरे. क्या कहा था लास्ट में गजानन ने? What did he say? At the end of the story, he said कि I'll continue to do my duty fearlessly and honestly. गजानन ने कहा था मैं अपनी ड्यूटी इसी तरह करता रहूँगा बिना डरे और ईमानदारी के साथ, right? So fearlessly means that. So without being afraid, without being afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Okay. And here it is over. So just please write it fast and then we will start up the question and answers. So just please write it fast. Are the things visible to you? I hope so. Okay, so just let's recall while you are writing. Pulls up means makes it come to a stop. किसी भी चीज को रोक देना, ठीक है? Jerk means a quick sudden movement, ठीक है? Then shocked means surprised. Empty means to remove. Contents means here only. Things that are inside the sack. Sack यानी जो बोरी है उसके अंदर जो भी चीजें थी उन्हें कहा गया है contents. Okay, then chasing means following someone quickly, and then fearlessly means without being afraid. Okay, so just please do it fast so that we will start up the question and answers. Just do it fast. Or just take a good screenshot of this, or else you can pause the screen. Okay, जैसे pause मैंने अभी बताया था, stop speaking for a while, तो you can pause me like that. Okay, आप मुझे उसी तरह से pause कर सकते हैं. You can make me stop for a while till then you are writing. So just pause the video and write it. and then I'll start up with the question and answers. Okay, so and for question and answers, we have to fill up the index for that. Okay, so just open your index page. Okay, open the first page of your notebook, and that is the index page. Serial number, write it according to you. Date, write down today's date. ठीक है, ये तो आपको पता ही है. Write down today's date and the serial number, whatever it is going on. Topic, that I will tell you. Chapter 4, in short, question answer. Okay, don't write it QUETION question A and SWR answer. Just write it in short. Chapter 4, question answers. Do it fast within a minute. Okay. Okay, done. Well, I guess you guys are so smart कि ये तो आप अपने आप ही कर सकते हैं ना, right? So that's why I'm dropping it. Then, okay, here open a new page of your notebook. New page, new fresh page. The page just after where you have finished writing the word meanings. Word meanings जहाँ खत्म किया उसके just next वाला page. Open that page and then there put on the heading. See, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay, put on this heading fast. Till then I'm filling up my marker. Just do it fast. So let's start up with the first question. First question is an extra question made by me. Like you know me, na? I make so many extra questions so that you do not just get stuck in the exercise given like at the end of the chapter. Okay? We should be aware of everything, every extra question, every surprise question that should come to us. That's why I make you prepare the extra questions also. So the first extra question is, who was Gajanan? The most easiest question. Who was Gajanan? Can you tell me? Gajanan was a police officer, right? In the here in the characters when it was described, what was there? What was written there? Gajanan, the police officer. So let's just write it. Question number 1 is, who was Gajanan? Gajanan. Who was Gajanan? Gajanan कौन है? या Gajanan कौन था? Answer is Gajanan. Gajanan. Gajanan was a police officer. Okay. And don't forget to put this full stop here in the answer and the question mark there in the question. Okay. So who was Gajanan? Gajanan was a police officer, and the most important question I would say. Just write it fast. Question number 2. Where did the robbery happen? robbery happened. Robbery कहाँ हुई थी, कहाँ पर हुई थी, है ना, कहाँ पर हुई थी? The robbery happened in the Charan's house, right? So let's write that answer. Let's steal some things from the question itself, and from here let's start writing the answer. The robbery happened will become happened, okay, because we write the verb in the past tense when we do it in the answer. So the robbery, R-O-B-B-E-R-Y, the robbery happen will become happened, H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D, happened in Charan's house. Charan का C capital because Charan is a proper noun, okay, C-H-A-R-A-N and apostrophe S. Apostrophe S, what did it show us? ये हमें क्या बताता है? Apostrophe S shows that shows the possession, okay, like Charan's house. Whose house it is? Charan's house. Charan का घर, okay, Charan's house. So that apostrophe tells us the possession, that the house belongs to Charan, okay. Just write it fast. Next question, and it is a question given in your book, okay. The next question, question number 3, is a question given in your book. The first question of your book. What did Charan do when he came to know of the robbery in his house? Charan ने क्या किया जब उसे पता चला कि उसके घर पर चोरी हुई है? Obviously कोई क्या करेगा? Someone, like that person will call the police. So the same Charan did. He called up who? Inspector Gajanan. Okay, he called up Inspector Gajanan. So let me write the question. What did Charan do when he came to know of the robbery in his house? W capital. What did Charan, C capital, do when he came to know what did Charan do when he came to know of the robbery in his house? Of the robbery in his house. Okay. So answer is, like, question is big but the answer is small. Okay, question बड़ा है लेकिन आंसर छोटा है. Charan called up Inspector Gajanan. This is the answer. So C-H-A-R-A-N, Charan, C-A-L-L-E-D, called up Inspector, I capital, I-N-S-P-E-C-T-O-R, Inspector, okay, and Gajanan, G capital, G-A-J-A-N-A-N-D, okay, full stop at the end. Charan called up Inspector Gajanan. क्या किया उसने? उसने Inspector Gajanan को call किया, phone किया. That's it. Okay, so here we will finish up today's work. Like, it is not like that ki question answers are finished here. There are 5 more questions to do, but that we will do in the next lecture. So just please write it. I am giving you 1 or 2 minutes to write this, and then after that I'll end up the lecture. So just please write it fast. And don't forget to put the date here or there, wherever in your notebook, okay? Don't forget to write the date. Just please write it fast. here came to know means पता लगना, ठीक है. Came means आना नहीं, came to know means पता चलना. तो जैसे ही उसे पता चला उसने क्या किया, call. So here that's it for today's lecture. And I just want you to complete all the things that we had done in the notebook. Okay, ऐसे pending नहीं रखना काम को, just complete it. And yeah, so we'll meet in the next lecture with the other question and answers. Question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are remaining. So we'll do it in the next lecture. Till then, you take care of yourself. Don't go outside. Okay? Don't go outside to play. Just play some indoor games or play the outdoor games on your terrace or in your garden only. Don't go outside to play with the other children. Okay? So just take care of yourself and your parents also. So bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.